In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads. So just by using free traffic. And I made $12,295 in commission, as you can see, with Pinterest affiliate marketing just in 22 days of the month of September, from the first day of September until the day 22. This is my commissions, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, and just last month I made $17,325 in commission, and it's paid. I received this money in my PayPal account, and this is my invoice. So anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as beginners, you guys need just to follow those steps. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Okay, anyway, so for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down like this and go to community and click over here. Click over here on affiliate. Let me show you. Click on affiliate. Go to community, click on affiliate like this. And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. They are really paying good commissions. All you have to do, you just need to click on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you will do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, choose no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. It's super easy. The sign up process is super easy and simple. It will take just few minutes from your time. So after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. What you will do next, you just need to choose good services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commissions. Okay, so step number two, go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page on Fiverr like this. Click on the search and search for social media marketing. Okay, it's already popular right now on Fiverr. Search for this service, social media marketing. Okay, I want you to pay a close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like sellers who has a lot of reviews, sellers who has like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, or like this one also is good seller, Fiverr choice. So for example, you need to choose. Why you need to choose good sellers? Sellers who has a lot of reviews, because those people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. They will see if those sellers has a good feedback or not, good reviews or not. If they have good reviews, if already a lot of people are satisfied with those services, then those people who will click on your affiliate link, they will also buy this service from you and you will earn commissions. That's how it works. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose like this one. You guys can see this one has over 1,000 reviews, 5-star, which is really good. I will just click on his service like this. Just click on the service of the seller that you want to use. You will be directly in this seller profile page. This is the proof it's working. Over 2,000 people paid for this service, 60 orders in queue. You guys can see the proof. Those people who keep saying in the comments it's not working. How it's not working and this seller has 60 orders in queue? That's a big number. Over 2,000 people paid for this service. And if you come every single day, you can find more orders in queue here. People keep coming back. People will keep coming back and they are buying more and more services. This seller is making more money, and also people who are working as an affiliate marketers with Fiverr, they are also making a lot of money with like those kind of those services. Anyway, what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, and you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest, open your account, choose business account. They will ask you if you want to create a personal account or business account. Choose Pinterest business account. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page. Click on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, like this, and here you go. What you will do next, you just need to upload a picture about this service. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture. This is his picture. Click on his picture, double click, click on save image, and save this picture to your laptop like this. Go back to your Pinterest account, click over here, and upload this picture to your Pinterest account like this. Okay, open. You need title and you need description. Go back to this seller profile page and copy his title like this. Go to Pinterest and put this title here, description. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see here about this gig. This is his description, so you just need to copy this part. I will copy this part to show you guys. Go back to Pinterest. You guys can edit those information if you want. If you don't want, you guys can use it like this, that's fine. But if you want to edit it, you can use ChatGPT, edit title, edit description, and make them more optimal. You can use ChatGPT to give you good keywords. Okay, you need to put your affiliate link here. So just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, for new people who just created their Fiverr affiliate account, you will not see like this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Okay, click on choose a board, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. I will choose this one. You can create as many as you want. Put here keywords or tags, okay, related to this service that you are promoting. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, just keep scrolling down until you see this one, related tags. Okay, copy those keywords: social media manager, social media marketing, social media content. Copy all those keywords and put those keywords here in your Pinterest account. After you finish, click on publish, and that's it. And here you go, you just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. You guys can see, we know that social media manager is very important. A lot of people are searching for social media managers that they can manage their Pinterest account or YouTube account or Facebook page, Instagram page, TikTok page, and so much more. Those people on Fiverr, they can manage all social media accounts, and of course do marketing and create content and grow social media accounts using this service. So it's very important. It's already working. You guys can see that this seller has a lot of orders in queue. This is the proof. It's already working. People who know exactly how to do it, they are making a lot of money with this method. You guys need to stay consistent, you need, if you guys can create, if you want to, you can think outside of the box. Go and create content about this service and start promoting this service on Pinterest. If you don't want to use this picture or this title, you can create content to promote like those services. You can use AI, you can use ChatGPT to create content to help you create content that you can use to promote like those services, so people can understand those services and they can buy those services from you. Of course, and also this method, as a beginner, I started using this method and I made a lot of commissions just by using this method with when I started, okay? Because it's for free, it's free traffic. You just need to choose good services that people will be interested to buy, promote those services on Pinterest, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking if do I have any affiliate marketing course, yes I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in this description of the video, and they will be really happy to help you guys step by step start this affiliate marketing business. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you in my next videos.